Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can bulk suspend users in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. In business routines, sometimes a manager needs to suspend bulk Google Workspace users. For example, a team of 10 interns has completed their internship, and now it's time to suspend their account all at once. Let's see how to suspend bulk users in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. Here are the interns in Google Admin Console. You can see their statuses are active now. We will suspend them. Step 1. First, we need to prepare a CSV file with 2 columns, email and new status. In the email column, we'll have the email addresses of users or interns, and in the new status column, we will add suspended. Download this Google Sheet as CSV. Step 2. Now sign into Foresight with Google Admin account and go to the Rule page. Then click the plus blue button at the bottom right corner. Step 3. You will see a pop-up named Select a Trigger. Select the Data Uploaded trigger from there. Step 4. Click on the Upload box and upload the downloaded CSV. Wait for the CSV to be parsed. You will see the columns of CSV appear. Here you need to name these fields in the Variable Name field. Enter primary email and new status. Step 5. Click Next. Step 6. Select Suspend User's Action. Here you may need to grant permission in Google Workspace for Foresight. Then select Primary Email in the Primary Email field. The variable name in this field is the same one that we have given in the 4th step. Step 7. Click Review and enter the rule name. Step 8. Click Create. Step 9. As you can see, a rule is created. Now click on the Upload icon on the rule and upload the same CSV file once again. You will see the rule is triggered. Step 10. After the rule has run successfully, a notification will appear in the top right corner. You can also see the results from the log page. As you can see, the rule is run. Here, important to note that there are 10 rows in the log. The rule trigger equals the number of rows in the CSV file and suspends one user at one time. Step 11. Also confirm the process from Google Admin Console. As you can see, all these users are suspended now. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.